How is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I hope you all have been keeping safe. I hope you all are doing well. And if today is your first time coming across my videos, please consider subscribing after you have watched till the end and you love my content. Okay, so make sure you turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. To my old and returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your continued support. Okay, always leaving me good comments. Okay, always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. May God bless each and every one of you. And to my content creators, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. All my fellow content creators, thank you for always supporting me. Okay, so today I have another handbag review, and you all know I love Michael Kors. The handbag here is by Michael Kors. Okay, I know a lot of you have been seeing a lot of comments about the handbags. People saying they will come to my closet and pack a lot a lot of handbag, a lot of goodies home. Okay guys, I just have to let the cat out of the bag now. All right, so this is my little side hustle that I do, collecting handbags and also reselling them. Okay, so it's a little side hustle I do, and I will bring you more details of that side hustle in the nearest future. Okay, so I just wanted to clear the air about you thinking this woman is crazy, buying all of this handbag for herself. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead now and review this handbag that I have here. Okay guys, this is the one I'm gonna be reviewing today. Isn't she pretty? She is so pretty. Okay, so the name of this one, I'm just gonna read from the little paper here. The name of this one is called Aiden, and the color is Fawn, Fawn, and she is a large dome satchel. Okay, all leather bag. Okay, so that is the real original price of it. Okay, so she is so pretty. I love this one. I love the shape of this one. It has that square shape. You can see the square shape. Okay, and it has that, see that the double stitching. Let me move her close so you can see double stitching with gold hardware. Okay, I love this one so much. It has the tassel over here with the Michael Kors initials on it. Also come with an adjustable strap that you can use to wear as a crossbody. Okay, I love this one so much, guys. It has that Saffiano leather that is very durable. Okay, this one will not burst open on your way to work or on your way to your event. It will not burst open. Okay, this is a good one. There is no fit on the bottom. Okay, the front is like this, so is the back. The same thing. It has the top handle. You can carry it at the crack of your hand. You can carry it on top of your hand like so. No pocket at the back. Okay, and it has that double stitching all around it. See, double stitching all here, also at the bottom. Okay, it has the stitches all around it. All right, so let's go into it now and see what this one is all about. All right, so let me take the paper out, all the stuffings. Let me take it out so you can see. So this one has that beautiful beige interior like you have in Michael Kors, and you have the zipper opening here. Also come with a care booklet. Okay, so all of their bags come with care booklet. Okay, so you'll be able to know how to take care of your leather to last you longer, and also maximize that purchase. Okay, you paid for it, guys, so you have to be able to enjoy your purchase. Okay, you don't want to spend money and waste couple of months down the line your money is wasted. You want this one to last you for a long. Okay, so in here, like you can see, it has the stamp here and it has the logo here, Michael Kors. On the other side of the bag has one large pocket, okay. A medium wallet will fit in it, okay. And it's so spacious, guys. See how spacious this one is, okay. Just one big hole in it to put in all your valuables, okay. This one, if you want to use an insert like a bag organizer, you can do that, okay. A small bag organizer will fit this one perfectly, okay. I don't have a bag organizer here to show you, otherwise I would have done that, but there are a lot of bag organizers. Check Amazon, okay. Just check Amazon. So that's it for this. Then I'm gonna give you now a complete measurement. I know one or two people like to know the measurement of the bag, so that will be, you know, to give them an idea of what they are looking for. If you know this bag, you know, is big enough or is small enough for them, okay. So this one is 11-inch wide, so the width is 11-inch, and the height from the zip of zipper, the top zip of the bag, is about 10.5 to the bottom, okay. So height is 10.5 inches, and the width is 11. So this is a medium size bag, although they call it let me see, from here they say is a large dome bag, okay. So but yeah, maybe for this kind of style is regarded as large, okay. So I will call it a large as well, okay. So guys, I know most of you did not see it, but I'm going to show it to you like so you can see. This is 11 across in width, then in the height, take it from the zip, take it from the top zipper here down here about 10, okay. So guys, so this is it for this one. This one is a pretty one. I love this top color it has, okay, and it also comes in different colors as well. The gold hardware, you know, the gold hardware, they last a long time. It's not something that will start tarnishing anytime soon, okay. So that's why it's good, guys. Always invest in a good quality handbag, even if it's only one handbag you have. Make sure it's a good quality one, okay. You don't want to be running back and forth the shop to get handbag every 3 months, because your handbag keep busting on your way to work, okay. Just bust open and, you know, embarrass you all over the place. You don't want that. All right, guys, I will see you in my next one, okay. So take care now. God bless you all. Bye.